If you want to insert your SIM card into POCO M8 5G, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone where we can find the SIM tray over here. We also have this SIM tray hole, so we're gonna use the SIM eject tool. You can find yours inside the box, of course, and just put it into this SIM tray hole. There we go. Now once you do that, you want to push it into the phone with a little bit of force so that the SIM tray slightly pops out, and then we can use fingernails or fingers, of course, in order to remove the SIM tray from the phone. Here we have SIM card slot number 1. On the reverse side we have a hybrid slot, we have SIM card slot number 2 and micro SD card, so you can use one or the other. In the case of SIM number 1, we need to of course match the shape. We just have to put it in. There we go. It should go in quite easily. You should also hear like a little click if you insert it properly. Make sure that it doesn't stick out. And if you want to insert the second SIM card, it goes like this. There we go. And it should go in quite easily too. Now once we have our SIM cards inserted, what we're gonna do is we're gonna insert the SIM tray back into the phone. So let's slide it in and push it all the way down into the phone and make sure that it doesn't stick out. And that is all. Subscribe to my channel.